Oh yeah, so getting the coal grill ready up, you know, so we got some, you know, you get some wood to help light the coal up later. Put them at the bottom and then you just stack some coal on top. So when you light it up, the wood get the coal burning and all of that, just like this over here. Today we're doing it straight country style. No stove, outdoor, straight. No stove around here. Today is when you get your hands dirty. See? Foreign can't change me, me change foreign. Yeah. Yeah. Come right back a yard.
And I'll be relaxing today. No work for me.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Wait for my curry goat and white rice.
So I got my grill prepped up, got my coal stove prepped up, and then I got the big real deal right here. Yeah. This is what we're doing the curry goat on wood fire straight. See that? Prep up already. Yeah. Butcher time, yeah? Yeah, look at butchering I go on. Sort out the goat meat.
Video.
You probably have a call right here and tell her, you know. You don't have none?
No, it could be anyone. I don't have no big, could be anyone.
Oh, you have a big one though. Well, that's an emergency right now. If you have a big one, you can go and use. Which part of them go?
You know, butcher, I'm cut up.
None of that
Just extra.
Butchering a one. Slaughterhouse. Slaughterhouse. Yeah, peeps, I'm on the job as usual. No rest for the wicked.
Oh, we are tired. We look fresh.
Yeah. I prepare some marinade now for the curry goat. You see it? Yeah. That I go on for what I go on. Yeah. Garlic, scallion, onion, thyme, town pepper and all in something there. Yeah, town pepper.
No, country.
Yeah, no country, town.
Country pepper.
Here's some video of Uma and say how she know Johnny from Chef Picnic.
Wait, for them how much?
She know Johnny from Chef Picnic. That Johnny and young, but the rest of Johnny look old.
But it looks really like she bad.
Could be, because lunch really not
Because me a 45 and me a what lime chili a long time.
You see real country time and you can't do
So
nothing
me
without
if
this.
she watch it,
when
You
she
can't
went,
do anything without that.
But yeah, me remember me used to watch it back in the
Matthew,
day.
turn on the pipe.
you see if them have one episode,
Johnny probably them party, too.
million.
Well, go on, Greg.
Anytime me cook outside, me always remember.
Oh my gosh, you know Johnny from Chef
Why
Picnic.
grab the grill and meat?
Bad,
And
bad.
I wish we could have shipped
Bad.
one up.
Oh, you can't put too much coal in there.
Sabano.
Eh?
That's too much.
Oh, yeah, sir. I worked it last night.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, okay. I worked that last night and it worked good. One time I load it, I have to load it again.
Yeah.
But what me do,
Happy.
me keep it fire mostly on one side, so me have one side low heat, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So when they catch a color, I push them over that
So
side.
this a cooking a curry goat too?
Yeah, that's so bad.
What? You ride them?
No. Yeah, but no, we just pick it
Ow.
up just in case.
That's it.
Alright, straight. A meat and marinade. Curry. Yeah? Apply. I would that I say I would that when me say I would that.
Right? Curry.
Yeah.
Curry.
Yeah.
I first me I cook curry.
Right? This is my big chef.
Eh? You think you cook more food in your days more than me?
Just look.
Yeah, exactly. Like she used to cook them.
You say you don't cook more food than him, but Mr. Shirley used to cook for you.
And he used to cook long time. Yeah, eat again. Eat over there.
Yeah, that's how I just come to and see you there.
Yes, but when you want it, no, eat and can't have.
My season of curry goat. You want some?
Curry. If you got the thing that's right down a fish, I'm so curry. It's a goat in the
No. Shirley, if you come to me, you're coming out to come and take a piece so like I'm have it over and shoulder. I can't go in the fridge.
Yeah, but there's some in there already. Hot.
See me granny, she thought your mother did.
Oh, hello.
No, we don't do that. That's against her religion. Hi. Alright. Yeah, we do backyard style, you know.
Then, what I cook too.
Keep it real. The food nice when you cook it outside.
What I'm doing for you?
Camera roll.
Yeah.
So see it there. Fire ready. And pot ready. We call them pot a big and shine. Yeah. Even though that one here is not mine. Which one? Alex? Me that plan to score it tomorrow. Alright, I'll in a pot. Oh, pot no balance. Put it around so you can clean it. That's alright. Alright, so oil in a pot. Curry in a pot.
You sure that you want some of the curry to put in a dhal? Give her?
We are looking there. We are looking there how see colors
And there's some garlic and scallion and onion flavor, you know. Flavor to the world. Yeah, when you do them things, you know, so the flavor gone all over the neighborhood. Yeah, everybody smell it. Yeah. All when you not cook at this, you do. Just burn some of them things in some oil, everybody think you are cook. Yeah. Yeah, we are mixing, you know, we are mixing. If you could have just smell it through the camera. You can inhale what I'm inhaling right now. So yeah. When you we are going to beach and make sure you can can in a white rice. Oh. You say, Lord Jesus, Jeffrey, me never know so rice could have taste so. Oh. Never know so corn could have go in a rice and taste so. Yeah, boss, when it comes to this. She can't get this, she has to get a more one.
Yeah, you know, you come up for that, you're going to you're going to.
Oh yeah, just apply some hot water to tenderize the meat. Reason for using the boiling water instead so the meat doesn't, the food doesn't go back to cold, it continue cooking, okay? Alright, so hot water applied to the meat for tenderizing. Here, come on.
Alright. What's this?
Then that is what I say. Sure. Yeah, jerk chicken to the world. Yeah, for all the boys and girls. Joke me and make a big man thing. Rum involved.
Rum in that chicken?
Alright,
Or must
yeah.
be rum, I use wash it down and you not even drink.
Yeah, so we have curry
beer.
goat over there, so.
Beer.
And jerk chicken over here, so. Yeah, and see soup pot a bubble in there, so.
language there.
Yeah.
Them not understand over this over here, sir. How do you do?
How do you do? They understand that. They understand. Oh, you want to do?
I wish you had a band. What you how to do?
You want to do?
That's soup.
Oh, no, man, not yet. Not yet.
Chicken with goat.
Yeah, you have to have one.
Yeah.
Alright, no can.
No,
Don't come in and make
don't,
it.
yeah, come outside girl kitchen because one time Miss Una tell us not put no carrots in your
Remember
curry
saying
goat,
no
you decide to you put it
spice
in there. Make she cook how she want cook and you cook how you want cook. Me tell herself and cute. See a cylinder, you know?
Yeah, one regular cylinder. Cut.
And them cut it.
And yeah, so can take off out I like them. Just take out
So
it.
if they want to travel with it, go to beach or so, them just take out the part.
Very nice.
Really cute picture.
China, now you talking white, I'm gonna want to make some
Small one.
Don't have a them.
Oh, the part is open.
Yeah, that's the measure.
more money we'll make some mackerel and white yam.
Okay.
You should make it big too.
Breakfast.
Yeah.
Just left my one.
Where, oh, yeah, go gone.
Early. Yeah.
Or tomorrow?
No,
Them are
I'm
going to
going
go.
later.
Okay.
This my neck. See my pack? Okay, now look at that. Look at that. Tenderizing. I got my carrots and I got my you know, Irish potatoes going.
But what I think
Yeah.
I like attention.
Yeah. Irish thicken up the sauce, you know. Carrot for beautification. Yeah.
Hey,
All right.
this not for wash up.
So we are simmer down. Simmer down. Oh yeah, so that's it. See, we getting it where we want it. Potatoes getting the juice thick.
The steam can't see in the pot.
Oh, yeah, meat all tender. Yeah, see all them Irish cooking out. Carrot. So we're bringing it down to gravy stage now and then, yeah. Yeah. So it's at the simmering stage now, going on to gravy. Yeah. Yeah. See grill bubbling. Man, see the 5-star general at work.
That bubble they're ready for the video live, but it's coming. Don't show them ugly dumplings.
I mash up your crab head.
But, yeah.
Pumpkin a happen.
Yeah, it's a guan. See it, Rich? It's a big
The pumpkin is pretty nice. Around
So right here my husband is doing some jerk pork chops. That's the last thing on the grill and it's time to eat. And of course it was a buffet style. Backdoor buffet style. We have friends over and it doesn't mean that they don't have food at their house. It's just a thing that we do at Christmas. We just go to each other's house and we eat and just chat and laugh. So hi Matthew, and that's my brother over there in the blue. So on the menu today we had white rice, curry goat, jerk chicken, jerk pork chops, and my mother-in-law made some dhal. And that's my cousin Soraya. She's like the sweetest little girl ever. Yeah, so it's just a chill day, enjoying the food. It was a lovely Christmas holiday. I enjoyed coming to Jamaica. I wish I could stay longer. That's Soraya's mom, Danica, hiding from the camera as usual. Tisha telling me to only video her top and not her bottom for some reason. But yeah, we had quite a few laughs and we enjoyed the food thanks to hubby. Big chef, you know, watch him. Top chef. I ate my dinner a long time and waiting for a second plate, and I ended my day with a red striped sorrel. It's so good. It's not too strong. It's just perfect, you know, something mild. So the pork chops was so good. They requested more, so hubby threw on some more on the grill. And my friend came over and she brought me a nice little gift. There she is over there saying how much she's enjoying the food. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was a lovely holiday and I wish I could stay longer, but we have to go home. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.